We got an E-85 bobcat that we're putting a 2059 grapple saw on. This one has dual auxiliary. For some reason, this one has 1-in-1. Typically, they have a set on this side and a set on the other side. You can see this one's got a thumb, so we added in the ball valve to shut the thumb on and off, so it stays plumbed up. Did one of those on each side. Then we just basically cut the lines that come off the tube, hooked them right into the ball valve, and then run onto the ball valve to the thumb. And this one was set up for a mulcher, so it had a K-strain on it and everything. In the cab, I don't normally do this, but these joysticks, you really couldn't add a button very good. So what I did is I tore the joystick apart, but there was no place to put a button in it, and I could put a saddle off the side, which is pretty easy, but not the best way to do it, I don't think. So I took the horn button and I used that to shift my diverter valve, and I remote mounted my horn button down there. So this side would be open and close, rotate right and left, hold the trigger down, run that handle again, and you'll get it to saw in and saw out. So, and then the horn is pretty easy to get to. The horn is right there, so we just ran it off a relay, run that button over there up into a relay, and then powered the horn with that. So it was pretty easy way of redoing it, and then ensuring that we have enough power off that little button. I will get some videos of it cutting, and this one was pretty straightforward. We just had to run our electrical. You can see that hose right there. Right here is our electrical, and we just run it in a hose all the way back. So